Thank you.
Yeah, sir, what's the question?
Hiya,
officer?
mate. What's your reason for being out and about? This current pandemic, yeah?
I'm
And
going
another
to
reason, only wearing a face mask, my friend.
I have an exemption.
Oh, you got an exemption. Brilliant. So what's your reason for being out?
I'm going about my business.
You're going about your business. So where have you been?
I've been about my business.
Yeah, what's your business, sir?
I've been to a meeting.
You've been to a meeting. So why didn't you say it was work, sir, rather than getting that out? And you would have been
No,
on
it's
your
not
way.
been work. It's just been out. I've
Well,
just
you
been
said
out.
you've been to a meeting, so is
Yeah.
it work related?
No, it's not work
It's
related.
not work related.
No, it
So what are you
isn't.
doing out? This current
I'm
pandemic,
just
mate.
out.
You shouldn't be out. Where'd you live?
I'm not telling you. Right
You don't
now.
live.
No,
You're
I'm
not going to tell
telling
me.
you. No. Is it compulsory?
Yes, it is, sir.
Do I have to tell you
Yes,
where I live?
sir.
Under what rule?
Health Regulations Act 2020 coronavirus,
Is
sir.
that are you acting under your oath?
Yes, I am, mate.
You're acting under your oath.
You're not going to tell me, you.
I'm
You can leave the
asking you
station,
right
sir.
now. Excuse me, I'm not, because I need to get
Yes,
home.
you can. Right.
No,
well,
I'm
you
not
need to
leaving
tell
the
me why
station.
you've been out and about, sir.
I don't. It's
yes,
not
you do.
compulsory.
Can you please leave the station?
No, I'm not leaving the station.
Well, sir, you can't travel.
Why can't I travel? You guys can go. It's fine. I got this. Yeah. No, it's fine.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm not leaving the
Stay,
station.
right?
I'm not
Sir,
leaving the station.
why have you been out? Yeah, people
Because-
are dying. COVID-19, yeah?
Yeah,
There's
and-
restriction of travel. You understand that?
Yeah, and
Yeah?
and I'm not.
Right. So I'm
obliged-
inquiring if there's been a crime committed, yeah?
You're inquiring. If there's
yeah,
a,
'cause
you're
obviously,
inquiring
yeah.
if there's a crime committed.
Yeah, 'cause
So
obviously if you've
what's the
broken-
question you're asking me?
Broken lockdown regulations, sir. Coronavirus Health Act 2020.
No, I haven't.
Well, what's your reason for being out then, sir?
Because I'm going about my day-to-day business.
Going about your day-to-day business. All right, no worries, sir. So you're not going to engage with me whatsoever.
I just told you
Well, no.
that
Why
I'm
have you
going
come
about
down to
my-
London, sir?
to
yeah?
go about my day-to-day business.
Yeah. What's your day-to-day business?
It's my
Right,
own
essential
business.
reasons for being
Yeah,
out, yeah?
I have essential
So what's
business
your
that I'm going
essential
about.
reason? Are you going for work? Are you exercising? Are you going shopping? Are you picking up
Exercising,
medication?
shopping, all of the above.
Are you picking up medication?
All of the above.
Or are you fleeing harm?
All of the above.
Which one is this, sir?
All of the above.
Well, why didn't you say that in the beginning then, sir?
Yeah, all of the above.
Well, why didn't you say it in the beginning?
It's my choice.
Well, sir, you're not really helping, you.
Yeah, it's
We're all
fine.
in this pandemic, yeah? People are
No,
dying,
we're
yeah?
not all in it
Yes,
together.
we are.
No,
We
we're not
are,
all
my
in
friend,
it together.
yeah?
No, we're
Yes,
not.
we are.
No,
All right?
we're not. Or else
Yes,
you
we
wouldn't be
are.
violating
Right?
my privacy.
How am I violating your privacy? I'm asking you your reason for being
Yeah,
out
and
and
I
about.
answered your question.
Like everyone else which comes through a
Yeah,
station,
that's
they all
good for
answer.
them. Did
yeah?
you ask that
Not
guy?
a problem.
No,
No,
you
they've
didn't.
just asked him over
Yeah,
there,
that's
sir.
good.
Yeah?
I'm going about my business.
All right.
I've answered your questions. Am I free to go or am I being
So
detained?
what are you doing about
Am I free
You're
to
free to
go?
leave a station, sir.
I explained my reasons.
You're free to leave a station.
No, I'm not leaving the station.
Well, you're gonna
We
have
should
to leave us
travel.
here.
So how do I get back to where
Not
I'm
my
going?
problem, sir.
What do you mean it's not your problem?
You're not engaging with me, sir.
I already
yeah?
engaged. You asked me. I
Yeah?
said all of the
Why
above.
are you out in London?
All of the above.
It can't be all the above. Where's the medication, sir? Where's the shopping?
Well, you
yeah,
can't
you've
ask
gotta
me
be
about
in.
my
Yeah?
medication.
I'm just asking.
That's
if you
my
pick
private
medication
business.
up, yeah, you would have
That's
had
my
it on
private
it.
business.
Also, what pharmacy did you pick it up from?
Yeah, but
Were you
that's
able
my
to pick it
private
up from your
business.
local pharmacy?
That's my private business.
Well, I've got to ask these questions, sir. It's
Am
part
I
of my job,
breaking
yeah?
the law?
What?
Am I
I'm
breaking
trying
the
to
law?
ascertain now, my friend.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
How do you ascertain whether I've broken the law or not? What questions?
What's your reasons for being out and about
Going
in
about
London?
my day-to-day activities.
Okay, no worries.
My essential travel.
So, what was your essential travel to
My
come to
essential
London?
travel was to either go for work or to buy medication or to be fleeing harm. Or
So, are you fleeing harm?
all of the
Is there
above.
any way I can help you?
No, there isn't.
So, there's not. So, we didn't really need to have this
You can
conversation.
step out of my way and I can go
Oh,
on
wait
my
there,
way.
can you?
You,
Yeah,
no,
right. So
no,
listen
you
to
can
me,
step
sir,
out
right?
of my way
yeah?
and I'll go about my
Right,
business.
I'm trying to explain to you what's going
And
on. The
I've
reason I
answered
stopped
your
you. No,
question.
sir, you're talking over me and you're going round
I'm
in
not
circles.
talking over you.
Like I said, yes, you were, right? And you wouldn't answer anything until the phone come out, yeah? Which is
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
because that's been
Yeah,
recorded.
yeah, it's fine.
That's also
I'm
been
filming
recorded.
for my
yeah?
safety.
Your safety, you're in a train station, my friend.
I know that,
Yeah?
but I
We're
feel
not going to
threatened.
jeopardize.
I feel threatened
Well, it's
because
not really. You're free to
surrounding me.
leave. You know, you
No,
can walk away
I'm
from
not.
me. Yeah?
I'm
So why
traveling.
didn't you engage with me from the
I
start?
engaged
yeah?
you.
No, you didn't.
Have I engaged you
No,
now?
you didn't. You walked away.
What are your questions? What are you trying to ascertain?
They're going to start.
What are you
Okay.
trying to ascertain?
Your essential reasons for being out during this lockdown,
And
sir.
have I explained
Yeah?
that?
No, you just said all the above. Which one?
All the above.
Which
Any
one?
one, you can pick
Which
one.
one? So where do you
Yeah.
live? Because if you're
I'm not
exercising,
divulging where I live. I'm not divulging where I live.
if you're exercising, it's got to be in the local area. Obviously, your local
I'm on a
borough.
bicycle.
Yeah. So where's your local borough?
My local borough is this borough.
So it's Camden.
Yes,
Yeah. So
sure.
where are you travelling to?
I'm traveling home.
All right. Have you got a ticket, sir?
Yes, I do.
Can I see your ticket, please?
No,
You're refusing to show me a ticket.
I prefer not to show you my ticket.
Well,
Is
as
it
an author-
compulsory for me to show you my ticket?
As an authorised officer of the railway, I
Is
can
it
request to
compulsory
see.
for me to see
Yes, it
my
is.
ticket?
authorised officer of the railway can
Okay.
request to see your ticket.
So
Upon
how come you're not
refusal,
asking anyone else to see their ticket?
upon refusal of showing your ticket,
Are you asking other people to see their ticket?
I'm asking you. I'm talking to you.
I know, but how about everybody else?
Well, I'm talking to you. I can't speak for the other officers.
I know, but other
Can I see your
people,
ticket, please?
I'd prefer
Are
not
you
to show you my ticket.
leave a station and you're not travelling? You've got no reason to be here.
I do have-
It's a
I
simple
have- I'm
request
travelling.
to see a ticket. Otherwise, you've got no reason to be
You
in
want
the
to
station.
see my papers?
Your ticket.
Did you say you want to see my ticket?
Your ticket. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to buy a ticket.
All right. So where are you travelling to?
I'm traveling
You just told
to
me
where
you
I
had a
bought
ticket, my
to.
friend.
Yeah, and I'm refusing to show you that
Well,
ticket.
leave the
so I'll buy
station.
another ticket.
If you're not going to show me the ticket, you can leave the station.
I'm going to buy a ticket.
You just said you had a ticket on you,
Yeah,
sir.
would you like to follow me to the ticket?
No, you just said you had one on you.
Yeah, and are you going to search it?
Why did I say anything
I
about
didn't-
searching
did
it?
I say- I
I asked
asked
you
you.
to see your ticket, yeah?
Yeah, and I asked you,
And
are
you
you going
said
to
you had a
search
ticket, did you not?
Are you going to search me?
Did you say you had a ticket?
Are you going
yes,
to
dear.
search me?
Have I said searching it?
Are you going
But you're
to search
refusing
me?
to show me a ticket,
Are you
so
going to-
you've got
I am
no
going
reason
to
to be here,
purchase a ticket.
so leave.
No, I'm not leaving because I'm going to purchase a ticket. I
You
have
just
the
said
right
you
to
had a
travel.
ticket on you.
I have the right to travel. I'm going to purchase a ticket.
You said you had a ticket on
I
you.
am going to purchase a ticket.
But you said you had a ticket
I am
on you.
going to purchase a
We're
ticket.
going round in circles, sir, yeah?
I'm not going around in
Yes, we
circles.
are.
No, I'm not.
And you're contradicting yourself because
I'm
you
not-
said you had a ticket.
I am not showing you my ticket.
You're not showing me a ticket.
But I'm going to
All
purchase
right.
another ticket. Am I allowed to go and purchase another ticket?
Well, you won't show me a ticket, sir, so you can leave
Yeah,
the
but I'm
station.
going to purchase a ticket.
You
Yeah.
said you had a ticket on you.
Yeah, and I'm
Can
going
I
to
see the
purchase a
ticket,
ticket,
please?
I'm not.
Leave the station.
I am going to purchase a ticket.
You said
Am
you
I
had a
allowed to
ticket
purchase
and you're
a-
not.
Am I allowed to purchase
You've got a
ticket?
ticket on you, like you
I
said.
do not have a ticket.
Well,
Am
why
I
did
allowed
you
to
say you had a
purchase
ticket in the first place?
It's my choice.
Well,
I have
why
a
would you
ticket.
lie?
Everyone has a
So
ticket.
now I'm gonna get
I have
suspicious.
an Oyster card.
Yeah.
I have an Oyster card. I'm free to travel with said
Is
ticket.
it? All right.
Yeah.
So why did you say you have a ticket?
Because is it not?
You just
Is my
make yourself
bank card
look
a
silly,
ticket?
my friend.
If you say so, is my bank card
Well,
a ticket?
You said you had a ticket on
Is
you,
my
did you
bank
not?
card a ticket?
It's not a ticket, no.
So am I allowed to use my bank card to travel?
Well, you just said you had a ticket
Can I
on you.
use my bank card to travel?
Where's your ticket, my friend?
My ticket is my bank card.
Well, why didn't you say that in the beginning then?
My ticket is my bank
Well,
card.
why didn't you say it in the beginning?
Because you asked to see it, and I'm not showing you my bank card.
You said you had a ticket on you.
Yes, my bank card is a ticket.
Well, you didn't say that, did you?
Well, you didn't ask.
I asked you
me
to see
about
your
a
ticket, and you said you did.
Yes, and I
Yeah?
said I'm not showing you, but I have a bank card, and I can use my bank card to travel.
Right, so where are you travelling to?
I'm traveling to my home,
Where's that to?
anywhere.
Anyway.
Yeah.
So you said it's in this borough, so Camden, yeah?
I'm traveling home.
Yeah, you said you lived in this
Yes.
borough.
Yeah, I'm going to buy a ticket to travel home.
So where are you travelling to? Where's home? Where can I assist you the best?
You cannot assist
How can I
me.
not assist you?
I'm fine to travel.
Are you sure?
I would like to go on my way.
Well, sir, at the end of the day, you know, this wouldn't have happened if you just engaged me
I would
from
like
the
to
start.
go on
Let me
my way.
finish, right? Yeah? So you're more concerned about recording and speaking and going over the same points you've said, which ain't making any sense to me, yeah?
I'd like to go on
Yeah?
my way.
Let me finish, right? You refuse to show me a ticket. I'll explain to you why I asked to see a ticket. Because if you haven't got a ticket, you're loitering in the station, sir. Yeah? You can't just come in and hang around in the station. It's actually an offence. Bylaw 13, loitering and unauthorised access. Transport Act 2000, Section 219.
Can I go on
As
my
an
way now?
authorised officer of the railway, I can ask you for your purpose for travel.
Can I
Yeah?
go
Do you
on my way
understand me?
now? Can I go on my way
So
now?
where are you travelling to?
I'm traveling home.
Where is home, my friend?
Home is out of the station. Home is where I'm going.
All right.
Am I obligated to tell you where
Yes,
I'm
you are,
going?
sir. I've told you that. We've gone over the same thing again.
Am
Have
I
we not?
obligated to tell
Yes,
you
you
where
are,
I'm
sir.
traveling to?
Yeah.
Do you ask every single person
Yes, I do,
where they're
sir.
traveling
It's my
to?
job.
I'm traveling to, say I'm traveling to,
Where?
let's see, say I'm traveling to Paddington.
Paddington. Well, you can't get to Paddington from here.
But I can find ways to get to
No,
Paddington.
best
from
way to go to Paddington
No, I
is
prefer
Euston
to
Square.
go through here.
Well, you can't get to Paddington
I
from here.
prefer to go through here.
You can't get to
I just came
Paddington.
from Houston Square.
So
and I
where are you
can't
trying to
travel.
get to? You
I'm
said you're
trying
going to
get
Paddington, so
Paddington,
you're
yeah.
going back?
Yeah.
You need to go to
I
Paddington. You
already
can't
went.
get here.
I've already come. Am I not allowed to go through here to get to
You
my
can't get
destination?
to Paddington from here,
But
mate.
I choose to take the station to go to where I'm going.
But you can't get to
But
Paddington
I'm
like you just
choosing
told
to
me.
use this route. I'm choosing to use the rail network to get to my destination.
You're not really making any sense. I'm trying to give
Am
you
I allowed to
directions.
go on my way?
Well, no, sir.
Thank
I'm
you
trying
very
to
much.
give you.
But
Yeah,
I like
no
to go
worries.
on my way.
Yeah, if you don't want to go to Paddington, what
I
you
don't
want
wish
to
to
do?
go that route.
Oh, so you don't want to go to Paddington?
I don't
now.
wish to go that route.
So which way do you want to go to
I'd
Paddington?
like to go through the station.
So
to
which
get to
train are you
Paddington.
going to get to Paddington?
Any station that I can get when I look on a map.
Well, I can help you.
No, it's fine. I'd like to go on my way.
Yeah, but how are you going to get to Paddington?
I'm
Obviously,
going to use the train network.
there is no train network overground which goes to Paddington,
Yeah.
or there's no cross-country links which go to Paddington, sir.
That's fine, but I'll
Yeah?
make my way to
Yeah, but you
Paddington.
can't. You're going to be making unnecessary travel.
It's
and you
fine.
get yourself in trouble. I don't
No,
want
but
that.
it's fine. I
I
have
don't
my-
want that. You
I
seem
have
like a
my
nice guy,
ticket.
my friend.
And I'd like
Yeah?
to go on my way, please.
Well, best way for you to go to Paddington would either
I
be
don't
King's
wish
Cross.
to use that route,
Well, you can't get there. You'll have to walk.
but I'd like to go through the station.
No, sir.
Why am I not allowed to go
Because you
through
can't
the
get
station?
to Paddington from here,
But I
like I've
prefer,
explained.
it's fine. But
Right.
I'd like to use this route to go on my way.
Well, which station are you going to go to Paddington from?
I'm going to go to Paddington via stations on this route.
Which station? I can possibly help you. Make
No,
it
it's
quicker
fine.
for
I
you.
don't need your help. I'm
Are you sure?
perfectly able to make my way.
I don't know.
Can I be on my way, please?
Yeah, not a problem, sir.
you
But
very
next time, be a bit more.
No, I'll do what I want. I'll do what I want when I want.
Yeah, no worries.
You don't have the right to tell me what to do.
Yes,
As
you're
I
in the
said, I'll be
station,
on my
sir.
way.
Yeah?
Good day.
You have a good night. Yeah? Look after
What is your
yourself.
name, sir, and your rank?
I'm not giving you my name, sir.
And what is your rank? What is your
6335.
rank? What is your
Police
rank?
constable, my friend.
Police constable.
Yeah.
And which force do you work with?
Well, we're in a train station, sir,
Which
so
force do you
that's
work
the
with, sir?
British Transport
Which
Police.
force do you work with, sir?
Yeah. It's the British
And
Transport
what
Police.
station is this?
We're in Euston Station.
Thank you, sir.
You get on your